Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Kashmiri Pulao. You can prepare this Kashmiri Pulao for kids' lunchbox. You can serve this pulao directly or you can serve with raita. Raita link is given in the description box. Please watch it. Let's start the recipe. The cup I used for measurement is shown in the video. Take 1 cup of basmati rice. Soak it for 20 to 30 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of ghee, 10 to 15 cashews, 5 almonds, 5 pista and 10 to 12 raisins. Roast it for 1 or 2 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 bay leaf and saute for 1 minute. Add 2 cardamom, 1 small piece of cinnamon and 4 cloves. Add half tablespoon of black pepper. Saute for 1 or 2 minutes on medium heat. Now add 1 medium sized onion, 1 green chilli. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute for 1 or 2 minutes on low heat. Once onion turns light brown in color, add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and salt as per your taste. Adjust red chili powder and black pepper as per your taste. Add soaked basmati rice and mix well. Now add 1 3/4 cup of water. Add coriander. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. Close and cook on low heat. More rice recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. Very tasty Kashmiri pulao is ready. Serve this pulao with raita. Raita link is in the description box. Please watch it. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.